Hello, my name is Victor Pájaro. I am 34 years old. I am from Cartagena. I live in Turbano. I am electrician. I am studying industrial engineering. My hobby is listen to music. My favorite TV show is The Good Doctor. My favorite sport is soccer. This is my family. We are three people in my family. My wife is Viviana Peña. She's 25 years. She's environmental engineer. She's from Cartagena de Indias. My wife is very nice. She is tall and thin. Her eyes are brown and she has brown hair. My daughter is Sara Pájaro. She is year old. She is a kindergarten student. My daughter is very intelligent and funny. I love my daughter. She is brilliant. Her hair is sun as the mother's. Her eyes are black. An important support for us is my mother. She is Neris Muñoz. She is 45 years old. She is housewife. She is from Turbana. My mother is helpful. She is short. Her eyes are brown and she has black hair. Thanks.